Grande Sales Associates know cheese, and they know the pizza industry inside and out, making over 1,000 visits a year to independent pizzerias that understand quality. Grande Sales Associates hear all of the industry problems, and they have solutions to help.
He's incredibly passionate about what he does, and he just gets it. Oftentimes I'll call him to bounce business ideas off the wall, which I don't do with anybody, but it's nice to get his feedback. It's nice to have someone who has seen every aspect.
I mean, the service, the level of commitment is unmatched from what I've seen in this business. I've been making pizzas for almost 30 years now, and the relationship that I have with Grande Cheese is pretty special.
They can help you with recipe development, portion control, menu costs, and marketing solutions to get more people through your door. And when you sign up for a tasting, you do more than taste. You bake, compare, adjust, and experiment as you would in real time. Our sales associates are a big reason why operators insist on using Grande Cheese. It's not just about bringing you the best. It's about giving you the support to be the best, most successful pizzeria possible. Because in the end, we're in this business together.